Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. We have a pretty exciting video planned for today because I asked one of my friends what she wanted to see me make, and she's been talking about this for a while, and I decided that today's the day. So we are gonna make homemade chili cheese fries. The fries will be homemade, the chili will be homemade. I mean, the cheese won't be homemade, but you know, it is what it is. I can only do so much. The only thing is, I do not fry my French fries. I bake them in the oven because I hate frying things. I hate it. So we will be baking them in the oven. So you know, just come along with me. Let's go make the chili first. Let's go do that. Also, let me preface with, this is just my own personal way I like to make chili. If you make chili a different way, go ahead and make it your way. If you want to use chili from a can, go ahead and use it. But this is just the way I make my chili in this house. So we're gonna go make some chili. All right. All right, I'm gonna add garlic powder. Salt. Okay, I bought the Stores brand of Rotel. I bought 2 cans. I bought a medium one and a mild one. I don't think we want that in there. I did drain it. So I'm gonna add both cans because I like a lot of tomato. So you all do what you want. Alright, I also got this can. I'm not going to drain it because I want the liquid. Again, you all do what you want. But this is going to be a more thick chili since it is going on fries. Normally I make it like a little bit more soup-like, but like I said, it's going on fries. So I don't want it super soupy. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this can of cannellini beans. I did drain it for the most part, but I didn't rinse it. You guys can basically add whatever beans you like. I just really like these. Alright, now I'm going to add some cayenne. Now, I don't measure this stuff. I just kind of do it until I think it tastes good. Jonathan always complains I don't add enough cayenne, but like, He can always add that later. It's cumin, by the way. And then, honestly, a whole bunch of chili powder. And then basically I'll taste it and see if I need to add anything, including salt. And then I'm going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And that's that. All right, I'm sorry the lighting is so terrible, but it's just that time of the year and the day. But okay, I got just regular russet potatoes for this, and we are going to cut them into fries and not cut my finger off. Now, also, you can leave the skins on, you can leave the skins off. Do what you want. Now, these are the size of fries that we're going for in my house. It's what we like. I am throwing all of these into a large bowl because you want to soak these for at least 30 minutes. For me, I have some things I need to go handle. So it's probably going to be about an hour and a half to 2 hours for me. So that's the size fry I'm going for. You all cut your fries the way you want. We're just going nice and big. Actually, I might make this one a little skinnier. But keep in mind, they are going on chili. Chili is going on these, so kind of want them thick. Also, I honestly had no idea. I had no idea how many potatoes to get, so I got 4. That might be too many. I might only cut 3. I'm not sure. But I'm not gonna make everyone sit there and watch me cut potatoes. But like I said, you just want to be able to soak these for at least 30 minutes in cold water. All right, like I said, I'm going to let these soak for at least 30 minutes, but it'll be about 2 hours for me. And then we will come back and make sure these are nice and dry before we actually cook them. All right, I did drain the water. It's been probably about 2.5 hours-ish. I drained most of the water. I'm just gonna go ahead and spill these on the floor. That's what we're gonna do. All right, it's really important to get these as dry as possible. Also, I do have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. Oh, I'm just gonna drop more on the floor. That's what we're trying to do here. Okay, and I'm gonna put these in this bowl. I did dry it out. You just want to continue to keep spilling them onto the floor. That's a very important step. Okay, now what you want to do is use an oil that has like a high heating point. So olive oil is not a good choice. I'm going with the classic vegetable oil. And you want to use about 3 tablespoons. So we're not measuring. It's probably maybe good. Now, you can season these with whatever you want. I'm gonna go with this everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. I don't really know how much I need. I'm also gonna use some garlic powder. I'm also gonna add salt, but at the end. Like I'm gonna bake them and then I'll add salt. And I know this has salt in it. And honestly, I think I have just like a little bit of this. I don't know. I'm gonna season this with whatever we have. Just a little bit of that. Now, is this too many fries for this tray? Absolutely it is. Do I care? No. I'll just spread them out as best as possible. Now, I'm gonna put these in at 375 for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the heat up to 425 or 450. Kind of just depends on what you want. And I'm not gonna touch these. We're just gonna let them cook. We're not gonna stir them. We're not gonna mix them. We're just gonna let them cook. All right. So I ended up doing these 375 for 20 minutes and then 450 for like 25 minutes. They're not the most crispy. I mean, they're pretty crispy. They're pretty crispy. Some of them aren't because I obviously put too many on the tray, but I don't care. So I'm gonna put some of these on a plate with some chili, and then I'll let Jonathan kind of fix it how he wants. We have a bonsai tree in the sink. I mean, we really do, because it got watered. And Jonathan is putting the most unhealthy queso ever on it, but you know what? It's because it's delicious. And then we have shredded cheddar cheese, green onion, white onion. I got ketchup because I really want to put ketchup on mine. Mm-hmm. I feel like that's a little bit weird, but I don't know. We're only having this thanks to Jane, really. I don't know if I've ever actually made chili cheese fries. Yep. Oh, I don't know.
Definitely have.
Oh, okay. Good to know. I don't remember my life. You gonna taste it?
Oh. I didn't know what we were doing. You're just eating food.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Right up.
Good. Well, you can thank Jane for this dinner.
That's really good.
Yeah, I feel like actually normally when we do chili cheese fries, I use the canned chili.
Mm-hmm. You do.
I don't know if I've ever really made my own chili for cheese fries.
Unless we've had it.
Like already made, yeah. This was a very deliberate, thing. I do recommend eating it with ketchup. It sounds weird, but it's really good. Okay. Let's see you in the next video. I think I want to make some mini pumpkin cheesecake bites because that sounds really good. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video so Jonathan can eat those. Okay, bye!